Hi guys, I have another switch. Yes, a switch. I've got loads of them. This one has been bent. You could see it's like a banana. It's really badly bent, and and that's the main reason why you get blue screens, and that's exactly what this one's got. So if I plug it in, it's blue screen. So what we're going to do is reball the APU if that is the issue, because it's bent directly in the middle. So it could actually be the RAM, but we'll give it a go and try and see if we can bend the chassis back to its original position. Now I now I have another one. Sorry about that. Had a customer. Yeah, so this one's got the exact same issue, completely bent, but with this one, the screen unfortunately is destroyed. It has been smashed. You can see that there, look. So that's going to be the last repair that I do. And this is a V1 as well, so I'm not too fussed if I can't get it working again, but hopefully we can. But this one is the blue screen, completely bent one. So I'm going to get into it, see if it is the APU by doing the pressure test, and if it is, then jolly good. And yeah, we'll just go from there. Anyway, be back once it's stripped. These speakers keep popping out now because they won't stay in position. Obviously, that's why they're popping out. So if I do the pressure test now, let's see if we do get a display. So pressing down on the APU, plug in the ammeter in. Do we get a display? Yes, we do. So it is just the APU. That's good. I think this is a low serial number as well. It's 406. So that might be exploitable. I could be wrong. So what I think I'm going to do now is just try and bend it back from here and hopefully I don't crack the display. I really don't want to take the display off, just in case I damage it taking it off as well. Well, it kind of seems silly too, but so if I just grab it from here and gently bend it, do the same on the other side. And it probably is going to break the screen. Oh, okay. That's a lot straighter now. I think we're good. So let's see if it rocks. It doesn't rock anymore. I think that's probably as straight as I'm going to get it. Can't even tell, look. Yeah, so let's just reball this and see if it all works once I've reballed it.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time.
And you can see here we do have a couple of rip pads. I think that next one up is on its way out, but it's enough on there. So we're okay there. But that one's definitely gone. And there's also one up here, which I don't know if that's the flux in that hole or is that an actual via. I'll have to test that. I'll test it now quickly. Hopefully it's just a no connect. Right, so I'm in diode mode now. And here we go. And it's ground. So happy days. That's good. So now we've got to focus on these two. But first I'm going to clean up all this original solder on here. So I'm going to add some leaded solder and then wick it away. I am almost out of solder wick, so I've got to be super careful how much I do.
The pain, Live the grind, I could change. In my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb. The only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact. Taking big swings, put your hand to the bat. Put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag. Cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
So it turns out that that other pad is actually just the pad from this one moved on to the next one. So that's good. So it is just the one trace we do need to repair. Don't have to worry about any other pads. They all seem fine. So let me just turn the board around so it's easier for actually. No, that's fine there. I just got to scratch away at this bit here. I do have a grinding pen, but I don't know if it's going to be too big. Is it worth a risk? Is it worth the risk? Potentially, I reckon so. So let's get grinding. I think that turned out pretty well. Now I'm going to tin it up, add the wire, and it should be done.
How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.
And you can see now that it's all hardened up, which is great. I just need to cut off the excess wire. So I've got a scalpel for that. And if I get the angle correct, I'll try it with my left hand. I'm not left-handed. So cut it off around there, pinch it down, and then move this side to side. And there you go. Remove that. And that's done. Don't know if that's a bit too high. I'm just going to scrape it away a smidge. Nah, it should be fine because the APU, I don't know, I'll scratch it away a little bit. I think there is a bit too much on there. I'll use my grinding pen for that, just to get rid of some of them. Just get rid of the height. And lovely, that's much flatter. Alright, next I need to reball the APU, but I'm just going to speed through this because you guys seen me do it many times. So let's do it. That was a hell of a jump there on the APU, so I'm not sure if it's going to work or not. Yeah, I didn't line up completely at all. Might work. Let's give it a go. All I'm looking for is that reboot sequence. Here we go. Is it going to reboot? No, it's not. It's probably still blue screen. Oh, that's so frustrating. So frustrating. Try it in the chassis anyway and see if it does the same thing. See if it is still blue screen. If not, I'm gonna have to do the APU again. What? It does work. Oh, there you go. I fixed it. It's actually working. But why don't I get the reboot sequence? This is proper weird. Oh, there you go. It did work. Happy days. So I'm got to stop relying on this reboot sequence now on this ammeter because I swear this ammeter's dodgy. Let's try it now. Either that was this unofficial battery. Now it's rebooting. That is so weird. Okay, well, put it back together and let's test it. Right, it's all back together and now it's on charge. So I'll come back once it's fully powered up. Right, it's just powered up now. Touchscreen works, which is fantastic. And we are in. Hello Neighbor, Fortnite, YouTube. See what firmware it is on. 18.1.0. Okay, Tyler's Switch. Internet, does that work? Yep, it finds the network. Brilliant. I don't think this has been exploited before. This is an exploitable switch. And now let me check to see if the screen is working properly. Oh yeah, every single part. Happy days. So if there's any other issues with it, I'll come back. Actually, let's try the game quickly while we're here. Yeah, it reads the game perfectly fine as well. And I'll do everything else off camera, like the Joy Cons and the SD card reader. And if there's any issues, I'll come back to this video. But for now, if you like this kind of video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will do more videos. Thanks for watching.